Now 11th problem. The heights in centimeter of 90 plants in a garden are given below. Calculate the mean height. We have to calculate the mean height. They have given in centimeters. 58 centimeters plants. How many are there? Means 20. 60 centimeters 25. 62 centimeters 15. 64 centimeters 8. 66 centimeters 12 are there. 74 centimeters 10 are there. Now this is frequency Fi and this is Xi. Fi, the next third column is Fi into Xi. We are going to multiply. This is the very important, and you have to take care in multiplication. Carefully you have to be. Multiplication is very important. 0 is there, write 0 that first. 2 8s are 16. Here 6, 1. 2 5s are 10, 11. So 1160. 25 zeros are 0. 1's place. 25 6 are 150. So how much means 1500? 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands. 15 2s are 30. 0, 3. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 3 is 93. So 930. Are you able to follow? Next, 8 4s are 32. 2 here, 3 here. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. So 51, 512. Next, 12 6 are 72. 2 here, 7 here. Again 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 7 is 79. 79. And 74 into 10 everyone knows. 740. This everyone knows. 40. Now multiplying is one thing and adding is very important. Addition. Here 4 sigma f. You are calculating. Write clearly. Here 4 plus 9 is 13. 14, 17, 23. Here 3. 2 here. 9, 16, 21, 30, 36. Here 6 and 3. 3, 4, 5. So how much you got? 5634. What is this one? Sigma Fi Xi is equal to sum of this products. Now this also add 10, 10, 20, 0 here 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this one? Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. This 90 and here 90 plants. Now they are asking to find mean height. So mean formula we know. Mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. That is equal to 5634 divided by 90. Easy way what I told you means 563.4 by 9 you write. 9 table everybody knows. With 9 you can simplify. 9 table. 9 6 are 54. 4 2 remaining. 9 2s are 18. 18 means 5 remaining. Here decimal is there, put that decimal here. 9 goes, 9 6 are 54. So how much you got means 62.6 centimeters. They told to find mean height. Therefore mean height is equal to how much you got? 62.6 centimeters. Because they gave measurement, we got That is the way of simplifying this problem. Now 13th problem. Find the mean of the following data is. If the mean they only give as 18.75. If the mean of the following data is 18.75, find the value of P. P is unknown. P is here, unknown. We have to find this missing. They only give directly xi and fi, and the third column is fi into xi. So multiply carefully. Easy, small numbers, easy numbers, you can multiply. 10 5s are 50. 15 10s are 150. P into 7 is 7p. 25 into 8 is 200. 32s are 60. Write like this and add, because sometimes by mistake you'll add 7 also. So it's better to write like this separately and add 0, 16, 4. 460 sigma fi xi is equal to 460 plus 7p, because this is unknown. So we don't know now. So we should not add 7p. Now add this one. 10, 17, 22. 2 here. Again 2, 3, 32. So sigma fi is equal to 32. You got 32. Now, what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So that is equal to mean they only give 18.75 is equal to 460 plus 7p divided by 32. So add properly 10, 20, 27, 5, 32. Multiplication, cross multiplication. 18.75 into 32 is equal to 460 plus 7p. Multiply 18.75 into 32. 2 5s are 10, 14, 15, 1, 16, 17, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3, 15, 1, 21, 22, 2 here, 24, 26, here 5, 0, 10, again 10, here, again 10. Now how much you got means 600 you got. 600 is equal to 460 plus 7p. 7p. 600 minus 460 plus coming from right to left. Subtract 460. 140 will come. So 7p is equal to 140. P is equal to 140 by 7. 7 goes. 7 2s are 14, 0. How much you got means 20. Therefore, P is equal to 20. They told to find the value of P. We got the value of P. 14th problem. The mean age of a group of 40 students is 17.45 years. Find the missing frequencies. Not 1, 2 are there. Here these are the age in years. 15 years, 3 students are there. 16 years, how much we don't know. When we don't know, we will keep as x in mathematics. Unknown value we will keep as x. 17 years, 9 are there. 18 years, 11 are there. 19 years, again they gave here. X after will take y. If the next is there, z, like that. Always unknown, first we will take x. 20 years, 3 are there. Now, third column is fi into xi. Multiply. Multiply carefully. Here 2 missing frequencies are there. 15 threes are 45. 16x. 16x. 16 into x. 16x. 17 nines. 9 sevens are 63. 6 remaining. 15. 153. 11. 18 into 11. 11 eights are 88. 8 remaining. 11 1 is so 198. Next. 19 into y. 19y. Next. 23s are 60. While adding, be careful because in between unknowns are there. Known ones you take. 45 plus 153 plus 198 plus 60. Take these 4. These are the known ones. 11 plus 5 is 16. Here 1. 16, 21, 25. 5. Here 2. 2, 3, 4. How much you got means? 456 plus 16. 16x plus 19y. What is this one? Sigma fi xi is equal to 456 plus 16x plus 19y. Now add this one also. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12, 13, 23, 26. So 26 plus x plus y. This is sigma fi. Sigma fi. But when we add this one, it should come 40. They gave in the problem. This is our addition. But given in the problem, how much? Sigma fi 40. This is given in the problem. So simplify carefully. Now, mean formula is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now, mean how much they gave? 17.45 is equal to 456 plus 16x plus 19y by 40 you write, because they gave sigma fi as 40. So write 40. Now cross multiply. 17.45 into 40 is equal to 456 plus 16x plus 19y. Now we know the easiest method. 174.5 into 4, because 1 0 is there, decimal moves front, is equal to 456 plus 16x plus 19y. Now multiply. 174.5 into 4. 4 5 20, 2, 16, 18, 1, 28, 29, 2, 6. So, how much you got means 698.0. If you write 0.0 or not, also no problem, because after one digit we have to put decimal. Minus 456, we brought plus 1 this side minus, is equal to 16x plus 19y. Now subtract. Minus 456, subtract. Here 2 will be there, here 4, again 2. So how much you got means 16x plus 19y is equal to 242. Think this as equation number 1. There is no common table. Here 19 is there. We can't take any common table. Still simplification is there. These two we are going to find. So we will get two simultaneous equations. One already we got. One is here 26 plus x plus y is equal to 40. We will do that one. Now this is the sigma fi when we added 26 plus x plus y, and this is given in the problem is equal to 40. Now we are simplifying. X plus y is equal to 40 minus 26. So x plus y is equal to 14. 40 minus 26 is 14. This is equation number 2. Now we got simultaneous equations. I want to multiply this with 16 so that we can cancel. Here 16x is there for us. So 16 multiply 16x plus 16y. 16 4s are 64. 4, 6 remaining. 16 1 is 16. So 224. Now this we got, and we are having there 16x plus 19y is equal to 242. Are you able to follow? So better to subtract. We can't subtract from small number big number. In negative comes, otherwise we will subtract, nothing will happen. Minus will come. Subtract. Minus minus minus. Both get cancelled. Minus 3y is equal to, from 12 if you take, here 2 is there, from minus 242 plus 224, write like this for easy calculation. Here 3, here 12. So here you will get 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. And here 0. So 18. Minus is more. So minus 18 we got. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 18 by 3. How many times it goes? 6 times. So how much you got? Y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 you got. Now substituting in equation 2 you substitute, because easy. Substituting y is equal to 6 in equation 2. In equation 2 substitute x plus y is equal to 14. X plus 6 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 6. X is equal to 8. They told to find the missing frequencies. Now we got x as 8, and therefore the missing frequencies. Therefore the missing frequencies, not 1, 2. So frequencies, the missing frequencies are x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. This is the way of solving. 15th problem. Using the assumed mean method, calculate the mean weekly wages from the following frequency distribution. Mean weekly wage we have to find. From these wages they have given in rupees. 950 rupees 24 workers, 1000 rupees 18, 1050 13, 111 15, 1250 20, 1500 11, 1600 rupees 9 workers are taking. Now they are asking to do in which method, means assumed mean method. This is the second method. First one is direct method. Now here among this weekly wages, assume one as mean. Actually the middle one always, which will be the middle of this wages, think as A. If it is not middle, any one out of these two. Okay, now here 1100 is the middle one. Assume this. A means assumed mean. A. Are you able to follow? Now here you have to find deviation. DI formula is D. Xi minus A. Deviation. D means deviation. What is D? Deviation. And Xi minus A. We have to subtract here carefully. Now 950 is there, minus 1100, minus 150, 9, because here 50 is there, here 100 is there, so minus 150. Are you able to follow? Next, 1000 minus 1100 means minus 100. Now 1050 minus 1100 means minus 50. And here 1100 minus 1100, because this is only Xi and this is only A, Xi minus A, so 0. Now Xi, we call this as Xi, you know this one, and this is Fi. So Xi minus A I am doing 1250 minus 1100 means here 150, 150. Next here 1500 minus 1100, so plus 400. Next 1600 minus 1100 is 500, plus 500. So if it is easy method, than this these are less means negative will come, than this more ones positive, that's all. Now the third, next first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now be careful in adding. Here you have to multiply. Now we got DI. How we got DI? Xi minus A we got. Now Fi into DI. So these two we have to multiply. Multiply carefully. Plus into minus, minus. Now 24 15s 66 36. So here 10 is there, already 0 you write, and 360 we got. So when you multiply 3600 you will get minus. Again plus into minus, minus. 18 into 100 is 1800. Next plus into minus, minus, minus. 13 5s are 65, 0 is there, 650. 650. 15 zeros are 0. 20 into 150. 2 zeros are there. First write those 2 zeros. Next 15 2s. 2 15s are 30. So 3000 plus 3000. Next 11 into 400. 2 zeros you write first. 11 4s are 44. 4400. Next 2 zeros you write first. 9 5s are 45. Write 45. So here now you can see negative values, positive values. Simplify. 0 5 14 20 0 2 minus 6000 minus 6050 50 minus 6050 0 again 0, 9, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11,900. Now subtract from 11,900, subtract 6,050. Here 0, here 10, here 8, 5, 8, 11 minus 6 is 5. How much you got means sigma Fi di is equal to 5,850 you got. Next, coming to here, sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to 10, 15, 18, 26, 30, 0, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 110. Sigma Fi. Now they told to find which method? Assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. What is the formula? Once recall. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. What is A? A means assumed mean. Assumed mean. Assumed mean. How much? 1,100. Next. Di how we found? Xi minus A. And sigma Fi di how much we got? 5,850. Sigma Fi, what is the meaning of this one? Total frequency. Total frequency. How much we got? 110. Now substitute. After explaining 1,100 plus 5,850 by 110. 0, 0 cancel. Now 11 table. 11 divide with 585. 11 5s are 55. 3 and 5. 11 3s are 33. 2 remaining. Decimal 0. 11 1s are 11. 9 remaining. Decimal is there 0. 9 8s are 88. 2 remaining. 2 decimals enough. So 1100 plus 53.18. 53.18. Add. That is equal to rupees 11,153.18. This is the answer. They told to find the mean. Therefore, mean wage is equal to rupees 1,153.18. That is the answer. 16th problem. Using the step deviation method, find the mean from the following data. Which method they are asking? Step deviation method. First method I taught you, direct method. Formula mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma f. Second method just now we have learned assumed mean method. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma f. And the third method I am going to do now, step deviation method. Small deviation is there, just one step only. Here they have given xi and fi directly. The third column you are going to find as ui. What is the formula for ui? Means you know xi minus a. divided by h. H means the height. Are you able to follow? H means height. What height? Or we can tell a size of the class, length of the class, or whatever may be. Class interval also. So h, they kept as h. Now listen carefully. What is UI formula? Xi minus a. The before problem we did only xi minus a. By h is only the deviation, step deviation. In that we are going to do. Assume any one as a. Always the middle one we will think as a. A means assumed mean. And we are going to subtract 18 minus 21 is minus 3. Minus 3. And what is h means? From the previous, this is the after 18 next class. 19 minus 18 is h. H formula is 19 minus 18. How much you'll get means 1 you'll get. Now how to find ui? I'll tell clearly. Xi minus a by h I told you. Xi means 18. A we thought as 21. And here 1 we got. In the before problem 50 is there difference when you see go through. Now minus 3 by 1 means minus 3 by 1 means minus 3 only. So this much working is there. Easy method. 19 minus 21 minus 2 by 1 means minus 2 only. 20 minus 21 minus 1 by 1 means minus 1 only. 21 minus 21 is 0. 22 minus 21 is plus 1. By 1 if you are doing other than 1 you have compulsory you have to divide, but there we got h as 1, we are not neglecting, that's all. 23 minus 21 is 2. 2 by 1 means 2 only. Next 24 minus 21 is 3. So 3 you are going to say. Now listen carefully. Now the fourth column is fi into ui. Multiply. Easy only. See, with the single digits you are multiplying now, so the no need much hard than before problem. Plus into minus, minus 3 zeros are 0. 17 threes are 51, 510. So minus 510. Next plus into minus, minus 2 zeros are 0. 32 twos are 64. Next plus into minus, minus. One table everybody knows. 530 into 1, 1. 0 into anything is 0. Plus into plus, plus 230. Next plus into plus, plus 280. Now 3 table. 110 into 3, 330. Now add negatives, add positives. Here 0, 7, here 8, 11, 16, minus 1680. Here 0, 11, here 14, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So plus you got. Now subtract. Minus 1680 plus 840. 0, 4, 8. Minus is more. So here sigma fi ui is equal to minus 840 you got after simplification. Now here sigma, this one, sigma fi, add zeros. 5, 8, 11, 13, 20. Here 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 18, 18, 21, 22. So 2200 you got. Now formula for mean. Mean is equal to a plus h into, here you have to multiply h into sigma fi ui, sigma fi ui by sigma fi. This is one term. Two terms. A, you know, 21 plus h means 1. 19 minus 18 is 1. 1 into sigma fi you got minus 840 by 2200. 0 0 cancel. Now 21 plus into minus, how much? Plus into minus, minus. If you simplify, 0.38. Subtract 21 minus 0.38 is 20.62. Calculate clearly. Divide. You will get minus 0.38.